Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to download and install Google Maps in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, we need to bring up our Google Chrome. So how we can do so, please proceed at the button search bar and type for Chrome. Once you have typed it, wait for the best match to appear, and once it's here, please proceed at the left side of that and click on Open, which is being placed at the very first option. The moment you click on it, you would be able to see or open your Google Chrome browser. And here, please proceed at the upper right side of that where you can see an icon like this beside this user account. So click on it to see Google Apps. And here, you need to locate for maps. I can see it is being placed here. But let's say, for example, you don't see your maps here. Don't worry, you just have to scroll down and look for more from Google options. Click on it. And the moment you click on it, you would be able to open the products that is under Google. So scroll down again and go with jump to our products to see all of the list of products and services under Google. So here it is being filtered by into featured. So we need to click on this down arrow and click on for all to see all of the services or products under Google. You just have to scroll down and look for Google Maps. So scroll down and look for it. So I can see it here. Please click on it. And the moment you click on it, you would be able to open your Google Maps where you can locate an area here using your Google Maps. So if you'd love to go traveling, you can use this Google Maps to directly locate the way and navigate the way or explore the ways. Especially if you are new, you can use your Google Maps to track your place, okay? So in order to install that, you just have to click on the three dots there at the upper right side. Please scroll down and look for this option called Cast, Saved, and Share. So locate your cursor here, and the moment you've located, this would appear. Go with Install Page as App. So click on it, and the moment you've clicked on it, you need to proceed with Install this page as App. So for it, I would suggest to rename that into Google Maps or Maps. So I'll be going with Google Maps. So to easily identify the application, I would suggest to rename that into the Google Maps. Click on install and wait until a new window would appear, which is your Google Maps, okay? So we just have to wait until a new window would appear, which is the Google Maps. And once it's here, you can now minimize or close the window and you can now close your Google Chrome browser. So let's check. Our Google Maps has been successfully added here at the desktop as a shortcut. And if you'd check that here using our button search bar, and if you'd love, if we will search for maps and if we will type it here, we can see this being added at the best matched under apps actually. So click this forward arrow and there you can see it is being added as an apps. So here we go. We can go with the open file location. We can pin it to start and even in the taskbar. Okay, so that's it. Hopefully this video helped you a lot. If yes, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.